Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all seafood lovers and adventurous foodies as we are taking a delicious trip to Goa to explore a unique and flavorful dish, Goan Bale Ambot Tik. Bale is also known as silver ribbon fish. This vibrant curry uses a base of tangy kokum and aromatic spices, creating a flavor profile that's unlike any other. Get ready for a symphony of flavors, tangy, spicy and bursting with the freshness of seafood. Every bite is an explosion of Goan coastal cuisine. So ditch the ordinary curries and set sail for Goa with this incredible Goan Bale Ambot Tik recipe. So now let's get cooking. So first take 500 grams bale or silver ribbon fish cut and washed. Add some salt to taste and mix it and marinate this for about half an hour. Then take a mixer jar. Add 6 Kashmiri dry red chilies. Add 10 black peppercorns, 3 garlic cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 10 cloves, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon dry coriander seeds, 2 cm round tamarind, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add some salt to taste. Add 1/3 cup water and then blend this to a fine paste. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 2 onions chopped and fry this until the onion is soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped. Add 3 green chilies and fry this until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add the masala paste which was previously made. And fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add half cup water and then give this a nice mix. Then add the marinated fish. Make sure the flame is on medium to low. Then cover it and cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes. Then add 1 cup water and then give this a nice mix. Then add 10 to 12 binda sola or kokum. Add half tablespoon sugar. Add some salt to taste and then give this a nice mix. Then add 1 stock cube and then mix it nicely. Then cook it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a steaming bowl of authentic Goan Bale Ambot Tik, ready to transport your taste buds to the beautiful coast of Goa. Look at that vibrant red color and those tender fish pieces nestled in that flavorful sauce. Every spoonful is a feast for the eyes and the senses. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting Indian recipe adventures like this one. If you are looking for a milder version, simply adjust the amount of red chili powder to your preference. Now go forth and explore the flavors of Goa with the delicious Goan Bale Ambot Tik recipe. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.